What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your application from LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in LinkedIn. Now after typing, you will see this first official website of LinkedIn. Click on this website and after coming here, you have three options to continue with Google, continue with Microsoft or sign in with email. You can choose anyone from these, but if you want to create a new account on LinkedIn, you have the option of new to LinkedIn. Just simply click on join now. And after that, you need to enter your details like your email, your password, and other credentials. So then your new LinkedIn account will be created. Now, after login or signing up, you will be welcome to the home page of LinkedIn. Now, from here at the top, you can see the job section. Click on this job section and then click on my jobs on the left side. And from here, you can see all your saved or your applied jobs that you have applied for. And from here, you will see the company name and everything. So you can just simply click on that and then scroll down till the end and then withdraw your application. Or if there is no withdraw application from there, you will see three dots on the right side of the company's name. Click on those three dots and then withdraw your application. So this is how you can withdraw your application from LinkedIn. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.